Idol na idol ko pa naman sila, tapos naghiwalay sila.
Beshi, ba't ang lungkot mo?
Bakit na yung cut niya yun?
Anong break? Di mo ba nakita yung post si Catherine sa Twitter na prank lang daw yun? Ito.
Nagpapanyawalaan sa fake news. Hindi yan totoo. Hiwalay na talagang cut niya yun.
Paano mo naman nasabi?
Hindi kayo marunong tumingin ng fake news. Panoorin ito para hindi kayo maniwala sa misinformation.
To spot fake news. Number 1. Consider the source. Click away from the story to investigate the site, its mission, and its contact info. Number 2. Check the author. Do a quick search on the author. Are they credible? Are they real? Number 3. Check the date. Reposting old news stories doesn't mean they're relevant to current events. Number 4. Check your biases. Consider if your own beliefs could affect judgment. Number 5. Read beyond. Headlines can be outrageous in an effort to get clicks. What's the whole story? Number 6. Supporting sources. Click on those links. Determine if the info given actually supports the story.
Ano ba yan? Bakit na talaga sila?
Okay lang yan. At least alam na natin yung totoo. Hindi na tayo magpapaloko sa mga misinformation na yan.
Kaya nga.
A quick reminder, don't forget to think big. B. Be careful with what you share online. I. Inform and correct those who have posted fake news. G. Get your news only from reliable sources.